If you're a man over 60 living with diabetes, you already know how complicated things can get. High blood sugar damages your blood vessels, making it harder for blood to reach your heart and your erections. And when your doctor tells you Viagra is risky because it can clash with your blood pressure or heart medications, it feels like you've run out of options. But giving up your manhood? That's not something any man is willing to accept. The good news is that nature provides safer, science-backed alternatives. In the next few minutes, I'll show you two powerful, natural Viagra drinks that are proven to support circulation, protect your heart, and help bring back the confidence you thought was gone. Let's begin with one of the most powerful and scientifically supported natural drinks for men over 60 with diabetes: pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols, potent antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in your blood vessels. For men with diabetes, this is crucial. High blood sugar damages the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of your arteries. When the endothelium is weak, it produces less nitric oxide. Your vessels stiffen, your blood pressure climbs, and blood flow to the erectile tissue weakens. That's why many men with diabetes struggle not only with heart problems, but also with erections. Studies prove how powerful pomegranate can be. In clinical nutrition, men who drank pomegranate juice daily saw their systolic blood pressure drop by up to 12% in just 2 weeks. Another study, published in the International Journal of Impotence Research, found significant improvements in erectile function scores among men who made pomegranate juice a part of their routine. The science is clear. Better endothelial health equals better circulation, both to the heart and to your manhood. And here's the practical part. Making pomegranate juice at home is simple. Remove the seeds, blend them, and strain to keep the liquid pure. For added benefit, you can mix in a few drops of lemon juice to boost vitamin C and enhance absorption of those antioxidants. Drink about 100 to 150 milliliters, roughly half a cup, once a day, ideally in the morning or between meals. This timing helps minimize blood sugar spikes while delivering maximum support for your arteries. Here's the mini hook. When you drink pomegranate juice, you're not just enjoying a refreshing fruit. You're repairing your arteries, lowering your blood pressure, and giving your erectile tissue the oxygen-rich blood it needs to function again. For men with diabetes, it's one of the safest, most effective natural Viagra drinks available. The second drink that every diabetic man over 60 should know about is beetroot juice. At first glance, it's just a brightly colored root, but inside it carries one of nature's most powerful tools for circulation: dietary nitrates. When you drink beetroot juice, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide, the same molecule your blood vessels need to relax and widen. For a man with diabetes, this is essential. High blood sugar and years of vascular stress make arteries stiff and narrow, driving blood pressure higher and restricting blood flow to the erectile tissue. By raising nitric oxide naturally, beetroot lowers blood pressure and restores healthier circulation. Science confirms this. In the journal Hypertension, researchers found that beetroot juice lowered blood pressure significantly within just 24 hours of consumption. Another study in the American Journal of Physiology showed that beetroot improved insulin sensitivity in men with type 2 diabetes, helping the body manage blood sugar more effectively. And in older men, beetroot has been shown to enhance endothelial function, the very foundation of strong erections. So how do you prepare it? Start with 1 medium beetroot, peel and chop it, and put it through a juicer. For better taste and added nutrients, you can combine it with half a green apple or 1 small carrot. A slice of ginger also adds anti-inflammatory benefits and helps digestion. Drink about 100 to 120 milliliters, roughly half a small glass, once a day, ideally in the morning before breakfast or after light exercise. This timing gives your body the nitrate boost it needs for better blood flow throughout the day. Here's the mini hook. Beetroot juice doesn't just lower blood pressure, it strengthens the very pathways your erections depend on, while also supporting your body's ability to control blood sugar. For diabetic men over 60, it's one of the most practical and science-backed natural Viagra drinks you can add to your daily routine. Now let me share a real story from my practice, because sometimes the best proof isn't in a study. It's in the lives of men just like you. Michael, a 64-year-old patient with type 2 diabetes and long-standing high blood pressure, came to me feeling frustrated. His doctor had warned him not to take Viagra because of the risk with his heart medications. He told me, "Doc, I feel like my manhood is slipping away and I don't know what else to try." Together, we created a simple plan. 1 small glass of pomegranate juice in the morning and half a glass of beetroot juice 3 or 4 times a week. Within just a month, his blood pressure was consistently lower. At checkups, his energy was steadier, and he started to notice the return of morning erections he thought were gone for good. By the 3rd month, he felt confident again, not because of a pill, but because his circulation and blood vessel health were improving from the inside out. But here's the important part. Even natural drinks must be used wisely, especially with diabetes. I watch portion size. Stick to 100 to 150 ml of pomegranate and 100 to 120 ml of beetroot. More is not always better. You avoid added sugar. Only pure juice, no sweeteners. Processed bottles often contain syrups that spike blood sugar. Time it right. Morning or between meals is best. Avoid late at night to prevent overnight blood pressure drops or sugar fluctuations. Check with your doctor if you're on blood thinners or certain blood pressure medications. Let your physician know before adding beetroot or pomegranate daily. Here's the mini hook. With the right portions and timing, these 2 drinks don't just refresh you. They become part of your daily therapy, strengthening your heart, stabilizing your blood sugar, and restoring the very blood flow your erections depend on. Safe, natural, and backed by science. So here's the lesson. Diabetes may complicate your health, but it doesn't mean you've lost your options. Pills like Viagra can be risky when combined with blood pressure or heart medications, but that doesn't mean you have to give up your vitality as a man. Nature has given us safer alternatives, and science confirms their value. We looked at pomegranate juice, rich in polyphenols that protect your arteries, lower blood pressure, and support erectile tissue. We explored beetroot juice, packed with natural nitrates that relax your vessels, enhance nitric oxide, and even improve insulin sensitivity. Together, these drinks address both sides of the problem. They protect your heart while restoring the circulation your erections depend on. The key is consistency. These aren't quick fixes, they're daily habits that heal your body over time. A small glass of pomegranate in the morning, a half glass of beetroot a few times a week. Simple changes that can transform how you feel in just a few months. Your heart will thank you, your energy will rise, and your confidence as a man will return. Now I'd like to hear from you. Which of these drinks will you try first, pomegranate or beetroot? Leave your answer in the comments below. Your experience could inspire another man who's searching for the same solution. And don't stop here. Subscribe to this channel, because in my next video, I'll show you the safe daily limits of natural Viagra drinks. How much is enough, and when to drink them to maximize the benefits without risks. If you're serious about protecting your heart and restoring your manhood after 60, you won't want to miss it. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, reminding you that even with diabetes, you can still take back control of your health. 1 glass at a time. Disclaimer: This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or medications.